Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. I feel like I haven't vlogged just myself in a minute because I've been hanging out with my friends so much that like I haven't just talked to the camera just by myself. But today I'm vlogging and I'll be vlogging tomorrow too. And my friend is actually coming tomorrow, so I guess what I just said just kind of defeats the purpose of me just talking to the camera. We're doing the most out of this summer because the summer is ending and like next week she starts classes, and my other friends, they also are gonna start moving back to like their colleges. I want to show you guys some things that I bought because like again we haven't talked in a long time. Sometimes I'm vlogging and I'm like, what am I supposed to show you guys? Like I barely talk to people about myself, and I know that kind of doesn't make sense because I have a YouTube channel, which means I post about my life, but when I'm by myself, like I just don't talk, even at work. Like I'm not like, oh my gosh, you guys, this happened today. And like the point is that sometimes I'm vlogging and I'm like, what am I gonna tell you guys about my day? I really don't want to share about my life. It's too much effort to talk. But then again, I have a YouTube channel, so it doesn't make sense. So welcome to the vlog and welcome to all my new subscribers because I got a couple new subscribers, so hello. My name is Kamila Ebel. I feel like I never say that. Also, you can either say Kamila Ebel or Kamila Ebel. I don't know which way I want to go about it, if I do it in English or Spanish, so whatever works. One time, like a guy in high school called me Camel, and that... No. Just now. That's just now. Today I actually have to go to my dance studio, so I don't know if I actually can film inside, but like I'll take you guys with me as much as I can. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I feel like I could wear this, but this is too hot and we're gonna be like dancing, and I don't know how people dance in hoodies, but I might do it today because I kind of like my outfit and I like my earrings and my necklace. So I might do that. But today I went to my two jobs, people. The economy is not economying. So I went to my two jobs today and I'm still broke because I got paid, but I have to pay my dance classes today. So all the money that I got paid, basically, it's going for my dance classes. So I don't have no money. And my car has some issues, so I had to fix him. Brother was expensive, so now I'm broke. I got a Mirae album. It's their last comeback and last album forever because they disbanded. So I was going to unbox this and do a whole video, but when I got it I was like, there's no way I can unbox this and film this because I'm going to be a mess. So I'm going to show it to you guys. I'm so pissed that they disbanded. Like they literally like just toured Japan, so like I thought they were gonna tour US or at least like tour Asia or something, but no, they just left. And I know some of you guys like Mirae, like there's a very few people. I know there's someone, there has to be someone, because I've seen some comments of like, oh, Mirae albums and stuff from like one of my K-pop videos that I did where I like unboxed Mirae albums, and there was like a couple people that like were like, oh my gosh, like you stan Mirae, and like yes, and now they're gone. Don't even get me started. So I got their last album, which sounds horrible to say, like it's done. I'm gonna shut up. I got, if I say the names wrong, don't come for me. I think this is Siyoung. I know he changed his name, but I don't remember what it was. But that was his name in Mirae, so. And I got some stickers. They were really good. Like I wish they got more people to know them because they're really talented and like really good, and the music is actually so good. So like I'm so sad that they're just not coming back at all. They could have like promoted them way better. And then again, I just don't understand. Like, I also got this little poster. It's so small. I want to put it on my wall. And actually tomorrow, since my friend is coming, we decided that we're just gonna rearrange my wall. So I might put that one, or I might put like another poster from my other Mirae albums that I have, because I want to have Mirae on my wall because they're gone. Thank you. This happening made me realize how much I will not be okay when my other groups. I got my bias, which is bittersweet, honestly. My bias was, should I say was or is? I'm gonna say is. My bias is Leon. That also feels wrong. My bias was him. The group is not the group anymore, so like, he's not my bias in the group. He was my bias in the group. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I bought a Hongrami? I don't know what his name is, but it's the Aniji's Honjun plushie. It's a dupe. It's not the real thing. But it's still cute. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. He's so cute. Like, I don't know. I haven't seen like the comparison to like the actual one. Because maybe it's the same manufacturer. I don't know. But I think he looks really cute. I'm going to go to my dance class now. I actually just kept the same jacket that I said that I was gonna be hot in. And yes, I'll be hot. But I just don't feel like changing. Again, I don't know if I can film inside, but I'll film what I can. So, let's go. You guys, I feel like I've been such a bad blogger. Like, it's been 2 days since the last clip you guys saw, and I was gonna film with my friend, like redecorating my room and like doing DIYs and stuff, and I completely forgot, which is so upsetting because I told you guys I was gonna do that and I just didn't. And I forgot because I was visiting my other friend that is leaving for college, and I was talking to her, and that took longer than I thought it was gonna take. And there's no problem with that. Since that took longer, I had to like speed home and clean the house before my other friend would come to my house. So I had to do that, which is, there's no problem with that. So like, if my friend is watching this, like, don't get upset or anything. Like, the time we had was great. So if you're watching this, my friend, please don't be like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Like, girl, please, come on. But anyways, I had to rush, and then my other friend came to my house, and then we just started doing our DIYs, and we actually talked a lot. And then we did like one DIY, you guys. We did one DIY. Well, we actually did two, but we didn't finish the second one. And then I just completely forgot to film because I was in a rush. So then like when she got here, I was just doing DIYs, and that was it. And then she left like at 1 a.m. Today I am going to another dance class, and this one I don't want to go to because it's a freestyle dance class and I don't like freestyle. But I'm going because I don't like freestyle, because you have to do things that you don't like to get better. So I'm trying to get better in my dance, so I'm going to this freestyle class, and I really don't want to go. I just don't want to go at all. Like, at all. Like, I don't want to drive there. I don't want to go to class. I don't want to step foot into that place. And also, like, the teacher is like a special guest, and he's like a really, really good dancer. so like I have to go, you know, you have to like network and also like show face and like, I don't know, be there and like get all the like advice you can get from like professional dancers. I really don't have an excuse not to go, other than I don't want to freestyle in front of everybody. But then again, it is a freestyle class, so I don't know how it's gonna go because it's freestyle. So I'm not looking forward to it, but at the same time I am, because I know that I'll feel better afterwards, or hopefully I will feel better afterwards. Like, you know, when you go to the gym and you don't want to go to the gym, but then you do it and then you're like, yes, I went to the gym. So hopefully I just have a good experience in that class, because if not, I'll just cry. Also, I'm gonna show you guys the DIY that we did do. We did a very pretty necklace, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. Hey guys, it's actually been a couple days and didn't forget to film, but like my days were really busy, so I couldn't film. My dance class was actually really good. I felt good in the class and the teacher was really nice, so I was able to learn a lot. I realized I never showed you guys the DIYs I made with my friend, and I never finished the shirt that I was going to do with her, so I'm gonna finish that today. So this is the one that I did. It's just a necklace, and me and my friend did like matching ones. We both have the same heart charm, but we did different green beads, but I think it's very pretty. My mom did these earrings for me, so I thought I'd show them to you guys. She saw us doing DIYs, so she decided to make some earrings for us. I don't have the ones that she made for my friend, but she made these ones for me and they're really pretty. So this is the t-shirt that me and my friends started to do, but I still need to put like black in all of here and in this part. So that's what I'm gonna do now to finish it, because it's been almost a week. So if I don't finish this, I'm gonna go crazy. I don't want to have this like whole setup just hanging around in my room. I just want to put it in my closet and be done with it, and actually wear it if it looks good. I mean, it still has some of the pencil that I couldn't get out, but maybe once I wash it, it'll be fine. I'm going to start with the top here, and then I'll do the sleeves, and then I'll have to flip it and then do it all over again. I hope this goes by kind of fast, because I want to be done with this. I also did this one with my friend, but if you look closely, my mom dried it on accident and it's cracked, but I am going to fix it now because I'm already painting. This one is drying over here and it's been a pain, but I'm gonna paint some more just so I can finish with this and never paint in my life again, because this took forever.